6-station multi-functional heat transfer machine. DTF transfer film placement device. When there is a shortage of materials, it will automatically descend and beep as a warning. After the shortage of materials is replenished, it will rise automatically through reset. The membrane is delivered to the designated position through position sensing. Adjust the placement of DTF transfer film position. The clothes are laid flat on the workbench. Infrared positioning. Automatic DTF film delivery. Automatic downward pressing hot stamping. End of hot stamping, the heating plate is automatically raised. Automatic film tearing. Automatic fabric take-up. Clear and beautiful effect, bright color.